But that's a good fish, man. That's a good fish. Way to get the skunk off the boat.
Yeah, man. That's where I want to get my Uncle John on.
About 11 and a half,
I don't know if 11 and a half, but ShoNuff makes this thing.
I'm gonna smell it too.
Hey, here you go. There you go. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like I told my uncle, I said, he said, more water gonna be mud. I said, don't worry about that. I got something to see through it. All I need to do is see him.
Yeah.
That's all I need to do is see him. Oh wow, look at that.
See that one right there? Look at that. Is that you right there?
That's me.
Okay. Oh, so you got split shot on there too?
Yeah, yeah. So I can get down there.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Too big of a
There you go. There
She
you
done messed
go.
up. She done messed up. That's a decent fish. That's a decent fish. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
And look how white it is. He was down there, boy. He's so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
Hey, baby. And I'm going to go ahead and say, what is that of YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Today is a great day to go fishing. It's another one of these days that end in why. So you know it makes it a great day to go fishing. And that's because today it's been 37 days, dog.
37?
37 days since I've been out on the water.
That make you almost feel like you done forgot how water feels.
I did forget how it felt till I got up on it. I've been longing to get out of it. I'm back, baby. I'm back. I'm back. So, folks, y'all know I had hip replacement surgery on January 26th. I'm not strong enough to get back out on the crappie assault vehicle, but there ain't but one thing better than having your own boat. And that's having somebody that take you out on there. So I'm out here on West Point Lake.
West Point Lake.
Where Harvey Boyd and Harvey got me out on the water for the first time in 37 days, and this is my first fish catching. So, appreciate you bringing me out, man.
Hey, man, it's my pleasure, my honor, man.
One day I'm gonna be able to walk like a regular man, and I ain't gonna need that cane down there. But today ain't that day, but I can still put a crappie in the boat. So, folks, I appreciate everybody who sent me those well wishes. What am I trying to say? The well wishes, the get wells, and all of that. So, folks, I'm back on the water. I'm gonna try to come back out next week sometime with somebody. So I can't get on my boat and do all that navigating yet, but I'm gonna be out on the water.
I'll be back from North Carolina.
Good.
Get it.
So, in the meantime, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get 'em! I got a fish, man. 37 days, dog.
I got a fish. I got a fish.
I still know how to catch it. At least I think. Well, you know, blind squirrel found a nut every now and then.
He does, and it feels good.
Ooh, she coming. Got her?
Yeah. All right, you take the seat, Captain. There you go. That's you right there.
There she goes. Now she's seeing it.
You're like, girl, is that the same one with the big forehead? I thought you said you were gonna leave him alone, but he kind of cute, girl.
Girl, you hear where he worked?
Mm-hmm.
I just can't do it, girl. I don't know how you. Oh.
She tapped you on your shoulder. Tapped you on the shoulder.
She rubbed her titties across me.
Oh no, she did.
She walked by and rubbed the titties. Said, "Excuse me."
Just to see if you were gonna look. That big boy up there at 22.
He turned. Bass. God dog, that's a bass. Come on, bite it in there. Bite it.
Hold on.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm not. I was okay. I was okay. I was okay. She was ready, but
okay, stay with me. Stay with me, bro.
She came all the way up there for me.
Put your eyes on me. Stay with me. keep your eyes on me. Stay with me, bro. Don't leave me. Don't leave me, brother. Don't leave me.
Oh, she came all the way up for it.
Woo! Oh boy, man, I thought I was gonna lose you, Chris.
No, man.
Thought I was gonna lose you, bro.
I'm holding on. I'm holding on.
I saw you fading. I saw you fading. Cause you know what? It's bad when a black person get pale.
I got pale on you.
You got pale, bro. You leaving me, bro. Whew.
Oh, yeah,
I ain't know where.
That's bad. And
I ain't know where.
And I'm dark skinned too.
I ain't know whether to grab old girl or knock hands. I had to make a quick decision. What do you say? Got a ditch pickle.
This one just ain't smart. She ain't playing around trying to catch it. Just my line in the water. Get on out of here now. Get. Careful not to have to shimmy on this one. I have to be careful not to shimmy on this one.
That's a non-shimmier.
She ain't gonna make me shimmy now. Hey, Tree, I ain't gonna let you do this one, that bro. You can't do that to you. She ain't big, but she won.
We can do better for him.
I ain't put my name in the Epstein files.
You sure won't be on there,
Don't
boy.
be redacting nothing. You take unredacted everything. Chris Williams, dry as hell, ain't gonna be in there at all.
It'd be like, you gonna be up there to testify after the clip.
Where I'm at, I'm around there.
Right.
I'm right there on that fish is where I'm at.
There you go.
Hey, baby. They ain't big, but they bigger than what I've been catching. My name's Christopher Williams. I'm a fishaholic. I've been clean for 37 days.
Hello, Chris.
And today, you know, I just got out on the water, and I don't think I'm ever getting clean again.
You dirty.
You didn't feel it, did you?
Yeah, I felt it.
Okay.
I felt the weight.
Yeah. You didn't feel the thump.
He didn't thump, no. He didn't. He felt the weight.
Because there was 3 of them that came up at you. You saw that, right?
Uh-huh. Let me get back off of him.
Yeah, you're going to need to.
Right.
There we go. Come here, girl. Hey, little bitty. Hey, little bitty.
There's like a whole bunch of them down there that size in.
Yeah, they small. But they bigger than the ones I've been catching.
Oh, I get the bucket.
Are you keeping any of these?
I was gonna give them the tree.
All right, cool.
Okay, let me back us up a little bit. So that's what I be looking like when I cruise up in the cold. Oh, look at you.
Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see.
Yeah. Keep it
Nothing
moving.
to see.
Keep moving.
Keep it moving.
Keep moving.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing to see here. Dan just called me. I'm gonna have to hit him back.
Nice boat.
Where you get that junky boat at, man?
Man, that's a nice boat right there, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, as long as it stay on top of the water, it ain't going nowhere. What's going on, man?
Is he limping up on the boat now?
Man, he limping up, he limping down. Hey, he be sitting down and still be limping. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. I started to record him and send it to one of these rappers, and they'll make a dance out of it.
Come out till 20 minutes ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we've been out here. It's been foggy for the longest.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
now we just on a little dink hole, but at least I'm getting my line wet and pulling in some fish.
Are y'all catching stuff?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Man,
Now,
but for the longest,
Where y'all pulling at?
we're at West Point today.
Why you told me you were going down there?
Thinks we pulling in. He just pulled in another baby.
yeah, it got dimples.
I know you ready to move, ain't you?
Hey, I'm ready. I'm just catching fish, man. I'm on my boat. I ain't on my boat, so I don't do too much moving.
I know you get 2 dinks, you out.
Not after being gone for 37 days.
You just glad to catch a fish.
Yep. You should have seen me the first one I caught this morning.
Oh my goodness gracious of life.
I almost started crying.
I thought you were going to need a cigarette.
I took a nap afterwards.
Yeah, he did. And while he was sucking his thumb.
Well, y'all crazy, man.
Make it do what it do.
Like they coming out. That's good fish at 100 feet.
I like sitting on this side of the boat.
Make the handicap man work, huh?
Hey, hey, I'm an equal opportunity, equal employment opportunity this one. There he is. He came up.
Yep, he did. I got him too. God, dog it.
Bass,
Cat.
catfish.
Yeah, she won.
Yeah.
All right, folks. That is going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. It's my first day fishing back in 78 and 37 days. So thank y'all for watching. Thank you, everybody, for the well wishes and, you know, the well wishes for my speedy recovery. Not 100% back yet, but I'm on my way. One day I'm going to be fishing on a crappie salt vehicle. One day soon. Today didn't feel too bad, but I'm not ready yet. Harvey, thank you so much, bro, for bringing me out.
Hey, thank you. It was a pleasure, man, and an honor.
Got the chance to fish on. Well, your boat got a nickname?
Yeah, man.
What's your boat's
Bounty hunter.
Oh, we was fishing on the Bounty Hunter. It's probably the second, third time fishing on there. I didn't even know it's called the Bounty Hunter.
Yeah.
We got a bounty. We got a bounty.
We got the bounty.
Bounty at Big Shirley's. So, folks, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Harvey Boyd.
Peace.
Catching more of these evil but ShoNuff tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.